Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Found Meshnet in your NordVPN app and not sure what it does? In this video, I'll let you know what Meshnet is and how you can use it. Let's go. NordVPN Meshnet is a unique feature that lets you create a secure, private network between multiple devices, no matter where you are in the world. Think of it like a virtual local area network that you can customize. Meshnet essentially bypasses the traditional way your device connects to the internet. Instead of going through a remote server like a regular VPN, Meshnet creates a direct encrypted connection between your devices. This means that your data is protected by NordVPN's strong encryption, ensuring privacy and security. It also helps overcome limitations imposed by some internet providers like CGNAT, which can restrict certain online activities. And lastly, you can access resources and services on your other devices remotely, as if you were on the same network. Note that Meshnet is a feature of NordVPN, so you'll need a NordVPN subscription to use it. You can grab NordVPN at the best price possible through my link in the description box below. This exclusive discount won't last forever, so avail now. Okay, but when should you use Meshnet? Meshnet is an ideal solution for secure file sharing. It allows you to effortlessly share files between your devices or with friends and colleagues. There are no size limits or security concerns, making it ideal for large or sensitive documents. When you need remote access, Meshnet enables you to access your home computer from your phone while traveling, or vice versa. This feature is perfect for retrieving files, running applications, or managing your devices from anywhere. Gaming enthusiasts can benefit from Meshnet by creating secure, low-latency connections for online gaming with friends. These connections ensure a smooth, private gaming experience free from typical public network issues. Lastly, Meshnet can help you access your home network from anywhere for streaming services. Some users take advantage of this feature to securely share their streaming subscriptions with family or friends who live far away. Now here's how to set up Meshnet on your device. On your iPhone, open the app and go to this profile icon below. And here under Shortcuts, tap Meshnet. Then toggle it on. Ensure you also enable the VPN configurations. On the PC version of NordVPN, navigate to the icon that indicates Meshnet. This will reveal the option to enable Meshnet. Simply toggle the button on the right to turn it on. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.